Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we introduced bar bending schedule. In today's video, we'll be looking at some basic reinforcement terminologies before you get into any calculation. If you are a quantity surveying student or civil engineering student, stay tuned. This video is important for you. Reinforcement bars or rebars are steel bars placed inside concrete to help it resist tension. Concrete, as we know, are very good with compressive stress, but are weak in tensile stress. So reinforcement are introduced to carry the tensile forces or tensile stresses in the concrete. The reinforcement bars are usually rigged to ensure good bonding with concrete. Reinforcement bars usually come in different diameters, such as Y12, Y8, Y6, Y24. The letter Y represents high yield, while the number represents diameter in millimeters. For instance, Y12 means high yield 12 mm diameter bar. Larger diameters are used where larger strengths are required, such as columns and beams. In reinforced concrete elements, we have main bars and distribution bars. Main bars carry major structural load, are usually positioned in the direction of the main bench, usually have larger diameter. Distribution bars are placed perpendicular to the main bars. They help to distribute loads as the name implies. They also help in controlling cracking, and they are usually of smaller diameter than the main bars. This is especially important when you are dealing with slabs. Stirrups, usually called beams, are closed reinforcement bars used especially in beams and columns. They help to hold the main bars in place, resist shear forces, and prevent buckling of main bars. And stirrups are usually spaced in particular intervals, maybe 150 mm, 200, 250, 300 as the case may be. The cover is the distance between the reinforcement bar and the surface of the concrete. The cover is provided to protect the steel from corrosion, helps improve fire resistance, and increase durability. Too little cover causes corrosion, while too much cover reduces the strength. Lap length is the overlapping length of two reinforcement bars. It is used when the reinforcement bar is not long enough or when an extension is needed. For example, like from the substructure to the superstructure, or between floors or between floor slabs. Hooks and ends are added to the ends of reinforcement bar to create mechanical grip. The mechanical grip prevents the reinforcement bar from slipping out of the concrete, therefore ensuring the structure is securely anchored. Hooks and bends are very important when calculating the cutting lengths bar bending schedule. If you avoid them, you pay dearly for them in the future. In this video, we discuss the basic reinforcement terminologies you need for preparing a bar bending schedule. In the next video, we will discuss reading structural drawing for bar bending schedule.